I've been in the world of commercial beverage photography for about 30 years. And over that time period, I've learned a lot about light and liquids and glass and form and shape and volume. How to create desire in the viewer so they stop and they stay there and they read that brand message before they move on. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you my methods and my tricks to make great beverage images. And I'm going to start at the very, very beginning. We're going to start with bottle prep, to remove back labels, to put on completely new labels, to get things ready before you even get on set. Then we're going to build a white line, black line set. It gives you the ability to quickly photograph bottles and cocktails on both black and white, which all clients need. But once we've mastered those basics, we're going to move into much more creative work. We build a storyline, we create character. So we pull things that are going to give tone and mood that all engage with the viewer. How you walk through making a cocktail look really good, but then how do you put that all together into a story? That's going to be the biggest thing that I can teach you through this tutorial. And it's my hope that you're going to feel like you are my assistant on these shoots, that you're going to be so close that you can really absorb what we're doing, and that you'll then be able to think in a different way, that you'll be able to make images in a different way, and that at the end of this, your portfolio will forever be changed.